This 200-foot heat herd de-icing cable delivers steady 5 watt per foot heating that reliably keeps roof edges, gutters, and downspouts free-flowing in winter storms. The cable carries full North American safety certifications and a certified plug, which inspires confidence when it runs for long periods in harsh weather. It arrives pre-assembled with a long cold lead, plug, clips, and spacers, so installation on typical residential roofs is straightforward for a careful homeowner. Durable inner insulation and a rugged weather-resistant outer jacket help the cable stand up to repeated freeze-thaw cycles, sun exposure, and heavy snow. Because it works on both metal and plastic gutters and on many common shingle roofs, one continuous run can often protect a wide variety of rooflines and drainage layouts. Testing the cable before permanent installation is simple, and the gentle warmth it produces after a few minutes reassures you that it is operating correctly without getting dangerously hot.